How to make the best homemade chicken stock to heal your gut and your body. Collect your ingredients: onion, celery, carrots, bay leaf and peppercorns. Chop them up roughly and put them in a pan with some olive oil to cook. Next, wash your chicken thoroughly, make sure it's organic, take out the giblets and put them in the pan with the veggies to sear and get the flavor out. Pour in some water into your pot with the chicken, so it's about 3/4 full of water. Add the peppercorns and the bay leaf. Make sure the water is just to the top of the chicken and then let it simmer for about 3 to 4 hours. You can push down on the chicken to make sure it's completely cooked. See how soft it is? All that beautiful stock from the chicken and the vegetables is going to nourish your body. It looks kind of weird, but this is an incredibly medicinal stock. Strain all the mess, the chicken and the veggies, so that you can now have a bowl of beautiful chicken broth. You can freeze the broth in jam jars. I like to use those ice cubes as well. It's pretty handy. You'll notice when you put the broth in the fridge or freezer, it has this white, fatty layer on top. Do not discard this. This is very medicinal. It's so healing and has a lot of flavor. Heal your body with chicken broth. Fast if you want and use chicken broth to heal your gut. It's just magnificent. Thank you.